Exercise 4.3. In this exercise, we have to find root of a quadratic equation by formula method. So what is formula? For quadratic equation of standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. So this value b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant value and represented by d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So on the basis of the value of d, we can decide whether the roots of the given quadratic equation exist or not. इस वैल्यू के बेसिस पर हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि किसी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के रूट्स एग्जिस्ट होंगे या नहीं. सो फर्स्ट d is less than 0. So roots are imaginary. d is less than 0 means negative. So roots are imaginary, or we can say does not exist. Second case, when d is equal to 0, roots are equal and exist. Third case, when d is greater than 0, unequal real roots exist. So to solve this quadratic equation, first of all we find the value of d, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So first question is of exercise 4.3 is find the root of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing square. And now in your syllabus the method of completing square is omitted or removed, so we will solve it by applying formula method. So first part of the question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So on comparing with standard quadratic equation, here quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 2. We find the value of d. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 7 square minus 4. a is 2 and c is minus 2. 49, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 49 minus 16 is, this is c is equal to 3. So 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. On subtracting, it is 25. So it is greater than 0. Therefore, real roots exist. Real and unequal roots exist. So we will use formula. Therefore, by formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b is minus 7. You can directly write here plus 7. b की जो भी वैल्यू हो आप उसका साइन चेंज करके यहाँ डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं, या फिर आप माइनस 7 इसे करके सॉल्व करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा. सो b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 25 अपॉन 2 multiplied by a is 2. So 7 plus minus 5, square root of 25 is 5 upon 4. So x is equal to this. First, when x is positive sign, and second when negative sign. X is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4. It is x is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4. So it is 12 upon 4, that is 3. Here it is 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3, 1 upon 2 are required roots.